Here's the Ark of the Covenant. Out here at the country, it's at Abinadab's house. For 20 years, they was without the Ark of the Covenant, the presence of the Lord. And while they're without the presence of the Lord, the people got satisfied. They got satisfied and they turned to other gods. I've noticed where people have been satisfied without the power of God in their life. Satisfied with drama, satisfied with division, satisfied with lack, satisfied with laziness, satisfied with confusion, satisfied with compromise. We see people that's satisfied with sadness, satisfied with sickness, satisfied and not content, satisfied and not settled, satisfied and they're not happy. Well, the book of James in chapter 1, verse 14 and 15 said it like this: every man is tempted when he's drawn away of his own lust and enticed. Then when lust hath conceived, it bringeth forth sin, and sin when it is finished, it bringeth forth death. Some don't believe this. Some don't even know about it. But let me tell you one good gospel thing. God is still working in His people. God is working in His children. God's still working in the church. God is still working all across the land. He's still saving. He's still healing. He's still delivering. He's still setting the captive free. God is alive. Jesus is alive and well. God cares for you. Jesus cares for you. And He's still doing today what He did over 2,000 years ago. He's still performing the impossible, still forgiving, still loving, and still changing lives forever for the glory of God.